Good evening, everyone. Myself Kranti Kumar Siddha from Rayagada and Odisha. Here I am telling about Chintakayala Rekha is a social service and social worker from Nalgonda. She has been doing many social activities. She started the Amma Foundations and dedicated her life to helping people with small ideas that started her childhood and a desire to bring change of society. Chintakal Rekha is contesting as a corporate candidate from the Janasena party in division number 15 of Nalgonda district. Please vote Chintakal Rekha. Society needs change and the change should start from every home through the Amma Foundation. In December, give your valuable feedback and vote for number 2 glass symbol and help Chintakal Rekha with good majority. Thank you.